Good evening, gentlemen. Today we will learn how to do the work and time problems. We will try to solve the problems by relating day-to-day life. Means we will not use a unitary method, or we will not make any equations to solve these equations. Means we will directly solve these questions by relating day-to-day life. My name is Pawan Kumar Sahu. I have cleared FCAT, INET, CDS multiple times. In FCAT, I have scored 200 plus marks. Okay, let's read first question. What question is saying? 22 men can complete a job in 16 days. In how many days 32 men will complete the job? Okay, here one person is doing some job. He is taking some days, and after some time means some more person or some are working same job. Okay, so if we will assume that one person is making one chair in a day, is making one chair in a day. Okay, so 22 men will make 22 into one chair in one day. Okay, now they are working for 16 days, so they will make this much of chair. Okay, now these 22 men are making this much of chairs, and this number of chair will be equal to made by 32 men. 32 men will make one chair in one day. Let's assume they are working for 3 days. So these two number of chairs will be equal. So from here we can cancel out 16 to 32 to 22 11 times. So we got T is equals to 11 days. This is what we have done here. We have assumed one person is making one chair in one day. So 22 men will make 22 chairs in one day. So in 16 days, they will make 22 into 16 chairs. And these number of chairs will be equals to these 32 men's chair. Okay, so we have equated the both of them and we get the number of days. Okay, let's see the next question. In this question, A is twice good at workman as B. And together they finish work in 16 days. In how many days they can be finished separately? Okay, the question it is saying A is twice good as workman as B. Means if B assume B is making one chair in one day per day. Okay, so A will make two chairs per day. Okay, now A is making two chairs in per day and B is making one chair. Okay, and they together finishes work 16 days. Means if A and B work together, so A plus B, if they are working together, they will make three chairs in one day because two will make A and one will make B. So total number of chairs, both will make 3 per day. Okay, so they are working for 16 days. So 16 days in 16 days, they will make 48 chairs. Okay, if they are making 48 chairs, in how many days it work will be done separately? Okay, means what we have to done, we have to do 48 chairs. Total number of chairs is 48 we have to make because they both are working for 16 days. In 16 days, they are making 48 chairs. Okay, now if A alone is working, means A alone will make these 48 chairs, then A will make 48 chairs in, okay, A is making two chairs in one day, so 48 chairs he will make in 24 days. Means A will take 24 days to make the 48 chairs because in one day he will make two chairs. Okay, if B will calculate for B, B is making one chair in one day, so he will make 48 chairs in 48 days because 48 chairs in one day he is making one chair, so he will totally make 48 days. So our answer will be 24 and 48. Answer is 1. Answer is 1. Okay. Okay, let's see next question. 18 women can complete a work in 12 days and 12 men can complete the same work in 9 days. In how many days will 8 men, 8 women complete the work? Okay. Now what is happening here? 18 women can complete a work. Okay, let's assume one woman is making W chair in one day. 18 women will make 18 into W chairs in one day. Okay, they are working for 12 days. Means total number of chairs is this much. Okay, next, what is this saying? 12 men can complete a same work in 9 days. 12 men in 9 days, a man is making M chair in one day. So total, these number of chairs will be equal for both of them. Okay, if these number of chairs are equal for both of them, so from here we can cancel out 9 to the 18, 2 and 12, 12. So here we get 2W is equals to M. Okay, from here we can say if man is making 1 chair per day, then woman will make, okay, sorry, man is making 2 chair per day, then woman, okay, so here we get 2W is equals to M. So from here we can say if woman is making 1 chair in one day, if we will assume, then man will make 2 chairs per day. Okay, if one man is making 2 chairs in a day, okay, now these from here we can get how much chairs we have to find, means we have to manufacture total number of chairs. So from here what we get total number of chairs? 12 into 9 into man is 2 chairs. So this is the total number of chairs we have to make. This total number of chairs will be equals to the 8 men and 8 women, because they also will do same work. We can also equal them with this, or we can equal them with this. Why? Because they are also making same number of chairs. They are making same number of chairs. They are also making same number of chairs, and they will also make same number of chairs. Okay. So 8 men will make how many chairs? 8 into 2 chairs. Plus 8 women will make 8 into 1 chairs, because woman is making 1 chair, man is making 2 chairs. So from here what we get? Total number of chairs in one day 24, means they are making 24 chairs in one day. Means these number of chairs will be equals to 24 chairs they are making in one day, and let's assume they are working 40 days. So from here what we can do? 12 into 2, 24 cancel out, T is equals to 9 days. In 9 days they will make same number of chairs, means they will do same work. So our answer will be A, 9 days. Okay. Next question. A and B can separately complete a piece of work in 20 days and 30 days respectively. They work together for some time, then B left. If A complete the rest of work in 10 days, then B worked for. Okay. This question you can expect in any exam, and this type of questions normally create the problems for students. Okay, if this type of questions create the problems, so normally students do mistakes in this. Why? Because they go by unitary methods. They calculate the work done for one day, one upon something, they will go in that and they will stuck. So we will not go in this or by that method. What we will do, we will solve the questions by some other method or some new method. Okay, let's see what is happening here. Try to solve the question. The happening here is A, we are having 2 persons, A and B. Okay, what A is doing? A is completing the work in 20 days and B is completing the work in 30 days. Okay, so if we see the LCM of these numbers is how much? The LCM of these number is 60. Okay, if our LCM is 60, so let's assume whatever the LCM we get, this is our total number of chairs. Total number of chairs. We have assumed this. Okay, if A is taking 20 days to manufacture 60 chairs, then he is making 3 chairs per day. Okay, B is taking 30 days to manufacture 60 chairs. So he will make 2 chairs per day. Okay. Now A is making 3 chairs per day, B is making 2 chairs per day. Now what question is saying, in the question he is saying they worked together for some time. Okay, they worked together for some time means what happened, A and B both worked. Okay, if A and B both are working simultaneously, so how many chairs they will make? A will make 3 chairs in one day, B will make 2 chairs, so together they will make 5 chairs per day. Okay, A and B both are making 5 chairs per day, and A complete the rest of work in 10 days. Means after that, A worked for some times, means A worked for 10 days. Okay, A worked for 10 days. In 10 days, how many chairs he have made? He was making 3 chairs per day. So in 10 days, he had manufactured 30 chairs. Okay, total chairs we have to make 60. In 60, he has made 30. A has made 30. So out of 60, 30 chairs is made by A alone. So how many chairs A and B both have made? 30 chairs, because 30 has been made by A alone. So A and B together had made 30 chairs. Okay, means now our question is what? We have to make 30 chairs and they are making 5 chairs in 1 day. So how many days they will take? They will take 6 days. So how many days B worked? B worked for 6 days. So our answer will be 1. In this question, what we have done, we have taken the LCM of number of days. By that LCM, we have assumed that we are making some chairs, or we can assume anything. You can assume burger or anything. Okay. Here, so by relating this question day to day, we get the number of chairs per day. Okay, if we get the number of chairs per day, now we can calculate the work done by A and B both together when they were working. Okay, and we get the work A when A was working separately alone. Okay, so and we have compared this work by separate working of A and A plus B with the total number of work, because total number of chairs was 60. I hope you guys understood this point. Okay. Next is A and B will complete a work in 15 days and 10 days respectively. They started doing the work together, but after 2 days we had to leave, and A alone completed the remaining work. The whole work was completed. Okay. Now what is happening? A, B completes the work. Okay, we are having A person A, second person is B, is working in for 15 days, B is taking 10 days. They start working together. Means sometimes they worked together, and after that one person left and another person completed the work. Okay. From here, what our LCM is 30. So if we assume we have to make total 30 chairs, then A is taking 15 days and B is taking 10 days. So A will make 2 chairs in 1 day and B will make 3 chairs per day. So when they will work together, they will make 5 chairs per day. Okay. Now what question is saying? Together they work. Okay. They start working together, but after 2 days we had to leave. Okay, for 2 days they have worked together. Means when they were working for together, so they will make in 2 days 10 chairs. Okay, they have made 10 chairs out of 30. 10 chairs is made together. So how many chairs they have made? 10. So what are the remaining chairs? Remaining chair is 20. Okay, now remaining chair is 20. Then A alone completed the work. Means A has completed this 20 chairs and he was making 2 chairs 1 day. So how many days he will take? 10 days. A has worked for 10 days alone and 2 days with B. So whole work was completed by 12 days. Why? Because 2 days A worked with B and they made 10 chairs, and 10 days he worked for making 20 chairs. 10 days here, 2 days here. So total days are 12 days. So this question also, we have not make any question. We have only related this question. Guys, if you will practice these questions by this method, I hope you will enjoy and you will work, complete or finish these questions easily, very easily and with very efficiency. And there will be very less chances that you will do the mistakes in this. Okay, in starting, you may do some mistakes, but after practicing, you will solve the question with minimum time. I assume that you will not get easiest method by this. Okay, so this was our last question for today. Thank you guys. Comment down the topic on which you want the video. I will make the video on that topic.